Welcome back, Las Vegas. And now, here's Miss Philippines. And now, here's your question to be given by Jorlyn Balas. Tuk-tuk. Mr. Donald Trump!
Okay, Miss Philippines, here's your question. What is one big mistake you've made in your life, and what did you do to make it right?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Las Vegas. You know what, sir? In my 22 years of existence, I can say there's nothing major, problem that I've done in my life, because I'm very confident with my family, the love that they're giving to me. That's why I'm here. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful answer.